how do you protect your energy in a relationship?
You have to give yourself the greatest gift. Stand for yourself. And your standing is not some political agenda. Your standing is, this is what I feel and I stand with it. And it has a power. It gives you a power. If somebody is trespassing, as I said, talk. Mostly people stop there. Because everything is done like,
सब डरते हैं कुछ बोलने के
डरते
लिए।
हैं जान के भी कि ये मेरा नुकसान कर रहा है, अदर दूसरे को भी पता ही कर रहा है, but it's being pretended. But once you get naked, other is forced to get naked, or they will run away. That is why they say that demons run away when Hanuman chants Ram. What it means psychologically. When you bring thing to a light, you're exposing yourself and the other. So there you need to have inspiration, which gives you guts to stand for life which you are, not some part of a culture you are, That is Sanatan.
But हम डरते हैं, right? We're scared of taking our own responsibility. We're scared of walking out. We are scared कि अच्छा, अगर ये नहीं हुआ या ये relationship break हो गया या ये job नहीं हुआ तो क्या होएगा? And that sense of insecurity keeps us fixed to our issues and problems. या फिर हम escape ढूंढते हैं. I think even spirituality, when we started this conversation, हम उसको एक escape ढूंढ लिए कि कहीं किसी तरह ये insecurity या ये suffering खत्म हो जाए.
We trust mental formations more than अगर ऐसा होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा. We never trust कि me, this energy, जब स्थिति आएगी तब देखेंगे. You understand? But that is, for our psychology, it's insecure thing. We want full plan before we take a risk. But life doesn't function like that. Life is a creativity. This idea is very false. There is predestiny. Nothing like that.
Life is not destined. Nothing is written.
If there is no time, destiny implies time. We call it Brahma, who is constantly inventing and creating. Is it possible that it might be sitting here and feeling, if you allow it, it can give you a new expansion? But you believe that is also creativity of life. You believe there is a destiny, so it creates destiny for you.
How interesting. हम destiny बनाते हैं क्योंकि we believe कि there is destiny.
Because you believe, that's why it is formed. There is a story in Islam that somebody went to Ali and asked that if there is a free will or destiny. So Ali said, stand up. He stood up and he said, now lift one leg. He lifted one leg. He said, now lift the other. He said, I cannot. So he said, when you were standing on two legs, there was a free will. Once you make a desire, now you are bound by that desire. So if you create without desire, you are not bound by the consequence you create through their desire and forced to go into it.
वो आप अपने desire को आपको trap कर रहा है.
Desire is creating a new cosmos because you are a Brahma. We don't know that being Brahma means you have to live the full scale of it. You can manifest what you want, but when it comes to the negative side of that creation, you say, I don't want this. Let's go to some guru, how to get out of this. It won't do. You'll have to live the hell you created, the shadow side. And that's what it means, completing a karma. And we think how to manifest a girlfriend. aa jayegi. But she's not all glorified Urvashi, Sundari. She's also a, whatever the word is, Gayan, Chudail, the bit. But you don't consider that. Dhoka ho gaya. Dhoka nahi hua. If I am aware of my bastard, I will appreciate other's bitch also.